Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I am Gunjan Handa and let's take a look at the headline. Three Arrows Capital reportedly facing insolvency. Cryptocurrencies resume rout ahead of Fed meet outcome. Celsius hires lawyers to restructure business after freezing withdrawals. Tether denies loan exposure to Three Arrows Capital Celsius. Coinbase to lay off 1 in 12 employees in India to cut costs. Coinbase taps former Niti Aayog executive for India expansion after Rebuff. Bill Gates says NFT and cryptocurrencies are based on greater fool theory. South Korea exchange issues warning on Tron and Wave stablecoin. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Three Arrows Capital, one of the biggest cryptocurrency hedge funds in the world, is reportedly facing insolvency after incurring at least $400 million in liquidation. Tokens listed as investments on 3AC site include Ether, Solana and Luna. Prices of these are down 77%, 90% and 99.7% respectively since lifetime highs. This week, Three Arrows Capital started moving crypto assets to top up funds on DeFi platforms such as Aave to avoid potential liquidations. According to a report, the Ethereum price plummeting close to $1,000, nearly $81 million in long and short position was liquidated across exchange platforms. Analysts speculated that such liquidations triggered by the Ethereum price nosedive could have stressed Three Arrows Capital and risked hundreds of millions in liquidation across multiple positions. The firm's founders, Suzu and Kyle Davies, were two of the most vocal participants in the crypto markets in past few years, making bets on non-fungible tokens or NFTs and DeFi applications, Layer 1 tokens and cryptocurrency companies. Cryptocurrencies slumped after a brief rebound earlier Wednesday on risk aversion ahead of Federal Reserve policy meet outcome later today. Bitcoin traded near $20,300 compared to intraday high of $22,729. The US Fed will announce its policy decision later today, with market pricing in the biggest rate hike since 1994. Analysts expect the Fed to consider a 0.7% point interest rate increase. US stocks, however, rebounded in opening trades, with broader market index S&P 500 trading higher by 0.9%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 traded over 1% higher, taking cues from European Central Bank's fresh measures to temper a market rout that has fanned fears of a new debt crisis move. The ECB said it will be flexible in reinvesting cash maturing from its recently ended €1.7 trillion or $1.8 trillion pandemic support scheme and would consider a fresh instrument to be devised by staff. CryptoWire's IC15 index slipped nearly 4% to trade at around 27,100 points. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,000, down over 13% in the past 24 hours. All other altcoins too traded low. Crypto lender Celsius Network LLC has hired restructuring attorneys from law firm Aiken Grum Strauss and Hoyer and Feld LLP to advise on possible solution for its mounting financial problems, the Wall Street Journal reported. Celsius is first looking for possible financial options from investors, but is also exploring other strategic alternatives, including a financial restructuring, the newspaper said, citing people familiar with the matter. The crypto lender said on Sunday it was pausing all swaps, transfers and withdrawals between accounts due to extreme market conditions. The Celsius move triggered a slide across cryptocurrencies, with their value dropping below $1 trillion on Monday for the first time since January 2021. As of May 17, Celsius had $11.8 billion in assets, down by more than half from October, and had processed a total of $8.2 billion worth of loans. Rival crypto lender Nexo said on Monday it had offered to buy Celsius outstanding assets. Stablecoin issuer Tether has denied claims that its commercial paper portfolio is 85% backed by Chinese or Asian commercial papers. Tether referred to speculations to this effect as completely false and likely spread to induce further panic in order to generate additional profits from an already stressed market. The issuer of the world's largest stablecoin USDT added that Cetsus's position has been liquidated following the crypto lender's freezing of account withdrawals Monday in response to the sharp downturn across cryptocurrency market. An investigation last year found that Tether had loaned $1 billion to Celsius using Bitcoin as collateral. Tether also denied rumors that it has lending exposure to Three Arrows Capital, the crypto hedge fund that was one of the biggest investors in the Terra blockchain. The components of USDT's reserves has long since been an area of concern in the crypto market. Crypto exchange Coinbase Global Inc said it will lay off 1 in 12 employees in India as a part of its broader plan to shed 18% of its workforce globally. The move to fire employees in India comes a couple of months after Coinbase's chief executive officer, Brian Armstrong, had said that the company is planning to quadruple the number of employees in India by year-end, adding 1,000 to the existing 300 staff and its Indian tech hub, which started last year. Coinbase had hired aggressively in recent years, with its workforce ballooning up about 1,200 employees by this year. The company has plans to fire roughly that amount, ending the current quarter with about 5,000 employees. It came under criticism earlier this month for rescinding recently made employment offers. Coinbase has hired Aravindkumar, former executive at Process Ventures, in the latest push to relaunch its eponymous cryptocurrency exchange in India. Kumar, who has previously also worked at influential think tank Niti Aayog and Deutsche Bank, is joining the exchange as Director of Indian Market Expansion. At Niti Aayog, Kumar was instrumental in conceptualizing, overseeing and liaising with different ministers for COVID contact tracing app Aarogya. Kumar's appointment comes at a time when Coinbase is struggling to find a foothold in India after failing to connect its prospective customers with India's payment gateway. Coinbase's attempt resulted in the country's central bank mandated payment body to impose a shadow ban on all the cryptocurrencies exchanges, forcing them to snap on ongoing arrangement. Billionaire Bill Gates dismissed cryptocurrency and NFTs projects, claiming them to be based on greater fool theory. Greater fool theory is a financial concept that one can make money by buying overvalued assets and selling them for a profit later, because there will always be someone who is willing to pay a higher price. Speaking at TechCrunch's climate conference, Gates took digs at the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT collection, commenting sarcastically that digital images of monkeys would improve the world. Bill Gates has openly denounced crypto earlier too. In an interview in February last year, Gates questioned the safety of investing in volatile assets which are influenced by Elon Musk's tweet. Gates' comment come amid crypto market rout, with Bitcoin losing haven, dropping over 70% from its peak. The biggest digital cryptocurrency was recently trading around $20,500. The celebrity-favored Bored Ape Yacht Club, or BAYC, has plummeted 54% in last 30 days. That's it for today. I am Gunjan Handa signing off. Keep watching Crypto TV, world's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel.